WA. It is Sunday, the 28th of June, and this is your weather forecast for the week ahead. Down in the south, there is a low pressure system moving across at the start of this week, which will deliver localized showers, moderate rainfalls, and some severe wind from Monday through about Wednesday. This adds on to the rainfall that you've experienced this weekend from a different low pressure system. So there's quite a lot of moisture down in the south. Up in the north, there's relatively stable conditions, but we can have a look into that as well. Let's start by looking at the daily breakdown. We have total daily rainfall here on the left and wind speeds here on the right. So on Monday, we've got anywhere between 5 and 15 mils just in this very southwest corner, and some moderate wind speeds as well, 40 to 63 kilometre gusts. Let's move ahead into Tuesday, where some more decent rainfall comes with that system, 25 to 50 mils in very localized areas, but more likely 15 to 25 mils along the southwest coast and up into Perth. Wind on this Tuesday is stronger, gusting 63 to 90 kilometres in the southwest as well. You can see at this point though, all the northern half of WA, dry and still. Okay, moving into Wednesday, where we get sort of the last of that rainfall in the area. We're only receiving showers 25 to 5 mils, but strong winds 63 to 90 kilometers an hour. So depending on when and where that rainfall hits you, it could fall as a storm, so potential thunderstorms in the area as well, but relatively localized. Okay. After that, the low moves off and it really does become quite stable and dry for the rest of the week. A quick flick through, here's Thursday, maybe light showers in the southwest, potential showers up here in the central parts of WA and Friday. This intensifies a little bit into Saturday, potential between 2 and 10 mils there, but dry down in the south. And then Sunday, nice and dry across. So that's just a quick overview. We're now going to look at two specific areas just to get an understanding of the context of the week. So we're going to start out down in the south in Pemberton. We've got Monday, 10 mils of rain, 15 mils on Tuesday, 5 mils on Wednesday, and then it dries out to showers from then on. It is Tuesday that is bringing that storm warning with some strong wind gusts in the middle of the day. And because we've got that wind, it's reducing the fog risk. The fog risk comes back towards the end of the week. The confidence is between 3 and 18 millimeters of rain on the Tuesday. And if I turn on our pro version on Tuesday, we can see that most of the models have this falling overnight really, or early morning, and they're all showing rain. That sort of confidence range really is just telling me that it's about where that rain falls, to the north, to the south, that sort of thing. Okay, so that's the gist of sort of down the south. We've got a rainy start to the week and then a foggy, dry, cooler end to the week. Let's go up north into Drysdale River, where we can see it is really stable and consistent throughout the week. Highs in the low 30s, lows in the low to mid teens. But just something to note is that across all days, the spraying conditions look similar to this, where really only good spraying conditions come after about 5 p.m. All right. So just to wrap up, it's really this southwest tip that's receiving some moderate rainfalls with the potential of thunderstorms this week. Up in the north, it's relatively dry and stable. Okay, we'll see you next time.